This video will watch the best ratings for star curtain lights, with over 2,950 customer reviews. TOFU star curtain lights, 138 LED lights. 12 stars remote window curtain string lights plug-in with 8 flashing modes. Decoration for Christmas, wedding, bedroom, party, birthday. 7.3 foot in width, 3.3 foot in height. Extendable, star curtain lights with 138 LED lights. 12 star ornaments, 6 big and 6 small stars. The diameter of big stars is 6 inches, and small stars are 4 inches. Star can connect lights to each other. Perfect for Christmas, festival, holiday, party, Xmas, home, window, walls, doors, trees, eaves, balcony, yard, bedroom, patio, etc. Note: our big stars are solid, not hollow, and with remote control. Remote control and 8 fun modes. Strong remote control has a memory function, which recovers from the previous setting mode when you restart. Window curtain lights with 8 modes. Combination, in waves, sequential, slow glow, chasing flash, slow fade, twinkle flash, and steady on. Wherever you are, they can create different atmospheres and moods for you. Energy saving. Thanks to LED technology and low voltage, the light with cold light sources is soft, has no strobe, is safe to touch, and is safe for kids. Star curtain lights create a warm atmosphere. High quality and plug power supply. Copper wire material, leading conduction technology, and up to 6 years long lifespan. The plug power supply prevents the light from fading due to low battery power. Easy to install and connectable. No tangled mess, and you can connect multiple lights with a tail plug. We suggest 3 to 5 sets. The transparent material makes it crystal clear. 9.8 foot plug extension cable, 12 hooks, and IP44 waterproof level. Starlights can use both indoors and outdoors in any weather condition. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching my video.